Hey, welcome. I'm in my daughter's bedroom today because I bought her a mural to put up on this wall, and it's a Spider-Man mural, and she doesn't know I've got it, so hopefully yeah, it'd be good if I put it up the right way around. Hopefully she'll like it. I think she will. So I've got to, yeah, anyway, that's the way it goes, that one and that one. So it's in two parts. So I'm going to try and have a go at putting that up there. So I'll start with this one. I've read the reviews on it, and people have said that they're not very sticky and that they fall off. So I've had a look at this wall, and although my daughter did it, that's wallpaper. She's actually painted on the final layer of wallpaper. She did take loads off, but she's there's a final layer of wallpaper. So what I'm going to do is, because it's wallpaper, I'm not worried, because if she does eventually grow out of this Spider-Man era that she's into, I've mixed some PVA glue up and water, and I'm going to hopefully stick it up better with that. Because at the end of the day, when she does want it off, it's on wallpaper, and hopefully it'll come off a lot easier. So let's have a go at trying to put this up. Now, if this was on, don't worry about it being white, it'll dry clear. If this was, oh gosh, maybe I should have put a bit more water in that. Straight onto plaster wall, there's no way I would be doing this, because it would be hellish to get off. But I'm just hoping this will help stick it a bit better. Oh, you can see what I'm doing from over there. Yeah, and I've got a little scraper thing to help me to get all the bubbles out of it. So let's have a go at this. It's only a cheap plasticky thing. Well, actually, I say cheap, it actually wasn't that cheap, to be honest with you. Oh, best be careful that I don't pull any bits off that are meant to be on there. Right, I'll start. Oh, why are people saying it's not that sticky? I'm finding that actually quite sticky. Right. I'm gonna start there. Use this scraper thingy to get any bubbles out. No, that's not straight, is it? I'm glad it's, my eyes are not that fantastic, but I'll get it as straight as I can. Right, there we go. If I wanted to be really pedantic about it, I'd get the spirit level out, but I'm not going to do that. It's going up like this. So when that dries, hopefully it'll stay up. And she's 16 is my daughter, and she's what us oldies would call a bit of a tomboy. She's still into all this kind of thing. She's going to a school prom in June, and I am really looking forward to seeing her in a prom dress. She's never worn a dress in her life. She's never worn a skirt in her life, but she wants to go to the prom. That's going to be interesting to see. Yeah, that's that's gone on better than I thought, actually. No bubbles in there. That is about as flat as that will go. Now for the fun part, with my eyesight, trying to match that up. I did bring a cloth in. What have I done with that? Oh, gosh. I'll take that bit off for now. Put some more PVA glue on here. Yeah, so hopefully, like I say, when she's not into this anymore, because she has done it over the wallpaper, we'll just strip the whole wallpaper off and we're not having to worry about trying to get that off a wall. So, yeah, I can still see the odd bubble there. On there. I like the fact that she's actually chosen a black background, because that's going to look really good on the black background. I wasn't actually expecting it to be this big. I thought I might be able to put it on the drawers, but no, it's actually quite big. Right, and I'm going to get into that. In here. I might have to move my camera a little bit. A bit of jiggly pokey here, because right, I might be blocking your view for a bit, but right, let's get this one. No, PVA glue, a bit of PVA glue. Let's get that up, and I can see bubble there. I think that's the one beneath. Right, over that at this side now. I'm still waiting for all my deliveries for my coving things to come for my bedroom next door, so because I'm a little bit, this has come yesterday, so it's just come in time for me to at least do something. I mean, yes, I've got absolutely tons of things to do in the house, and I could be getting on with this and I could be doing that, but I actually just want to do, bloody hell, there's a nail there. What the hell? There's two. Right, put you on pause. I'm going to have to get those nails out, otherwise it's going to poke through. Let's get those. Get these couple of nails out, because otherwise... my trusty little pink hammer. No one will pinch that, will they? I am tired of workmen coming into the houses that I had before and taking my tools. So one day I went around and I got all my tools out, and I painted the whole bloody lot pink to stop people from pinching them. Right, hopefully I've gone out wide enough there. I don't want to go too wide. Right, where's the other bit? Make sure I put it the right way up. My head. Now I've got to... Just pull pulled a bit off of there, taking that down too far too quickly. I shall have to oh, what has gone on here? Ew. Right, let's have a look. I'm going to line this up a bit better. Bear with me. Gosh. That. Spot on. Right. Oh. There we go. Now. There we go. His hand, not wanting to play ball here. There we go. That. It's just like lining wallpaper up. That's gone on pretty good. A few bubbles I can still see. Get them out. Not happy with it. Ow, this jutting up out here is. There we go. Bit of jiggery pokey going on here, and we are. That is not wanting to stick down at all. What is going on there? Take it that way. I'm going to put, yeah, I only bought it off Amazon, this, so hopefully now once I've sorted it, I read one review and this lady said, in the end I had to just put it up with sellotape. So I thought to myself, I ain't messing about with sellotape, we'll glue it on. And like I said, I think you can put these on windows and all sorts of things, but It's got a black background and I think that looks far better on the wall there. That'll all dry out. This glue will all dry out. Put a bit of glue up there. Ouch. Ow, my knees. God. Wait, surely I have got all the crikey. Even with one of these scraper things getting all bubbles out, not that easy. I've seen people buying this steel and pick wallpaper and I've thought to myself, oh crikey, no way. I don't know if anyone's used it, but I can well imagine that will not be an easy thing to put up at all. Peel and stick wallpaper. Yeah, she's going to be quite surprised when she comes home and finds this up here. God, these little jutty out bits are, see that? I can see now they say they're not sticky, but that should be sticking. That will stick to the PVA glue once. Well, I'm hoping it will. We'll find out, won't we? We will find out. If that comes off tomorrow and I've done it with PVA glue, then I will be totally amazed and baffled at what the hell can I use. There. Gosh, I think it's the wall, the back. A bit there as well, I can still see what's there. There we go. No. There we have it, all finished. That PVA will dry clear, see what say that eventually. Okay, bye.